finish up, I'll take a breath, check my schedule, what comes next, I'll clean my space, walk with care, I am calm, I am prepared, deep breath, I'm ready for what's next. I'll take a deep breath, I'm ready for what's next. Transitions can feel hard sometimes, and that's okay. I know what comes next. I am safe, and my body can take one slow, deep breath. I don't have to rush. One step at a time. I'm ready for what's next. Deep breath. I'm ready for what's next. I'll take a deep breath. I'm ready for what's next. If you're looking for more ways to bring these lessons to life, check out autismlearningworlds.com. We have a full library of interactive games and printable activities designed specifically to support kids with autism and special needs.